Hey guys, another video for our Pilots in Japan playlist. In our recent Go Away video, you guys saw this perspective from inside the airplane. One of our patrons said he enjoyed it and wanted to see more of it. So we're going to show you that Shizuoka flight again, but this is all the footage that was taken by the guy in the right seat. So it's all his footage that I've just sort of edited. He put lots of writing on the screen to explain what was happening. He also put some music to it, so I've changed that music and put some different music on it, just sort of cut it a bit. But basically, the same thing, so give you a bit of a different perspective and a little bit more perspective from inside the aeroplane. Probably do another video like that in the future too, with my GoPro, and give you the ATC audio as well. Some people seem to enjoy that as well. So for our buddy on Patreon, this is for you.
I ain't going anywhere unless you want me to go. Then I'm as good as gone. See, I go with the flow. I'm like a river rolling along, like a river. I'm gone, gone, gone. You'll do just fine, yeah. You run the show. You're Juliet. Everybody's Romeo. I'm just a river passing through. And like a river, I'm bluer than blue. Silence speaks volumes, haven't you heard? Well, I get the message. Actions speak louder than words. You had me in a hold and you let me go. Now I'm as good as gone. Don't you know I'm like a river rolling along, like a river. I'm gone, gone, gone.